Hey Lyra Tech fam! Today we're diving into the DREAME X50 Ultra, a robot vacuum and mop designed to tackle just about any floor challenge. Check the link in the description for the best price. This unit packs some serious tech, from 20,000 pascals of suction to self-cleaning functions, all aimed at a truly hands-off experience. First up, let's break down the DREAME X50 Ultra's core cleaning capabilities. Its 20,000 pascal Vormax suction is incredibly strong, picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. The mopping system is also very effective, extending to ensure full coverage and deep cleaning. A key standout is its ability to extend brushes and mops right into corners, leaving no space untouched. For pet owners, the Duo brush system and air duct design do an excellent job detangling long hair. The X50 Ultra is an outstanding cleaner, tackling both dry debris and wet messes with impressive. Next, let's look at how smart and convenient the X50 Ultra truly is in. Navigation is top tier, with retractable legs and AI vision allowing it to clear thresholds and clean under low furniture. The comprehensive auto-empty and mop self-cleaning station means less work for you, a huge convenience. A notable trade-off is its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only support, which feels a bit outdated for a premium device. At $1,000, the value is good considering its advanced features, but it's definitely a significant investment. This robot offers incredibly smart navigation and self-sufficiency, though its wireless connectivity could be better. So, the DREAME X50 Ultra really is a powerhouse. It brings incredible cleaning performance with its extreme suction and advanced mopping, plus smart navigation that adapts to nearly any home layout. The auto maintenance features are fantastic for reducing chores, while the premium price and too.